welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a unboxing with my newest baby. Charot, baby. So it's a Fitbit Versa, guys. So yan, cause I have an event this Sunday. So I have a run, guys. So I need a good one na you can download music. Tsaka ma-monitor mo rin yung pace or yung speed mo, tsaka yung distance. So, kaya gusto kong to have my own na para din siyang watch at stylish din. So, guys, I will show you my unboxing. So, I'm really excited about this, guys, because I really want to have this. Gusto ko talaga na yung parang smart watch na rin siya. Tapos, I want something na magagamit ko in the future. Not only for this run, but anywhere, pwede mo siyang gamitin. At saka, it will motivate you as well. So, ito yung gamit ko before. This is the Fitbit HR. So, ito yung luma na style nila. So, I still love this. So, ito yun. So, ito yung ginagamit ko before. So, you just have to tap. Wala kasi sa wrist ko, kaya ganun. So, example, yeah, I will tell you the, kilometers. So, my, my time, my date. So, lang siya, simple lang. Yan. Diba? So, tap mo lang siya. So, yan, ayaw niya. But anyways, I still love this. As long as you have a Fitbit app in your phone. So, it's not really a problem. So, ngayon, I will, start my unboxing. So, guys, this is the Fitbit. This is the box. So, it's really nice. So, ito yung price niya. So, I bought this at Meijer. So, have you heard about Afterpay? So, lang siya, guys, hulug-hulugan lang siya. Every fortnight, I, pay this Fitbit. So, wala kasi akong cash. So, yun. So, ito na yun, guys. So, this is their latest, I think, this year lang nila ito ni-release. So, yeah, I think March. Yeah, March or April. I'm not sure, but yeah, latest nila itong. So, this is the old generation nila, but still working fine. So, I really love it. Kasi parang 5 days or 6 days or almost like a week siya before siya malulubat. So, ganun-ganun lang siya sa back. Kasi it monitors your heartbeat and other stuff. Kaya may siya, sensor sa back. So, same lang yata yung concept nito with that one. So, let's open. So, ito na. Struggle is real. So, paano ba to? I hate. I don't want to, ruin the box. No. Okay. Oh my God, how pretty! So, yan. Yung logo ng focus din. So, ito yung logo ng Fitbit. Parang siyang naka-emboss. Yan. Then, another, ano ba to? Just open the side. Ooh. Oh my God! OMG. So, ito yung, niya, Fitbit Versa. So, may mga catalog na nag-running. So, yan. So, yung mga information, how to use. Tapos, may mga other info dito sa kanyang manual. So, ito yung manual niya. Very nice. So, I will show you first the accessories before the watch. So, ito yung accessories niya, guys. So, ito yung parang large na yung mga malalaki ang mga hands, aming mga wrist. So, meron din siyang spare. Kasi pag bumili ka, hindi mo naman alam kung anong size ka, diba? So, at least meron lang large. May small din. And then, this is the charger ata. So, this is their charger. Wow. Tagal Struggle. Okay, so this is the charger. Wow, this is very nice. So, maganda siya kasi long. Long yung kanyang cord. And, ano na, yun lang ba? And then, the safety instruction, limited warranty. Na parang mini book. Yun. Then, let's go to the watch. Dun, 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 dun. So, dito lang. The beautiful watch. I love the color, guys. So, may dalawa siyang color, which is yung hindi limited edition. May black at saka ito parang rose gold. Pero pag limited edition, may mga different colors, which is more expensive. So, ang hirap niya kunin because struggle is real while vlogging. Yan. Oh my goodness, how pretty is that? Guys, tingnan nyo yan. Ganon. See, that is really pretty. This is the rose gold. Parang peach ito. Yung kanyang strap. So, let's open. Let's get rid of with this so I don't like taking the plastic off talaga kasi like I prefer na walang na may plastic, no, pero you have to because you have to use it. So pause ba? So ito na. Tandadadang. So, you get rid of the plastic. So, tama ko itong ginagawa ko. Oh, it's so sticky siya. Parang ayaw ata. Uy! Ba't ka na nag-on? Try door. So, hang on muna. Yan. Oh my God, guys! On na siya! Oh, meron na siyang naka-charge na siya in far. So, yan. May na siya. Naka-charge na. And this is touchscreen. So, you have to download the Fitbit app. So, may mga parang Spanish or whatever language they have here. So, yeah. I already have Fitbit app on my phone. So, kailangan mo na siyang i-download. So, hang on. So, I have Fitbit here. Si ano mo lang. So, how cool is that, guys? Nice. So, ito yung ano niya. Super scary app. So, in English, sabi rito is may mga Chinese. Sir, hindi mo maintindihan. Korean. So, you have to open your Bluetooth to, kasi Bluetooth to, guys. So, you have to find ano yung ano mo, anong tawag, anong gamit na Fitbit mo. So, I'm not gonna use my old one because this is a new one. So, saan ko ba ito yung set up? So, I'm gonna use the Versa. So, ang daming type, guys. May Versa, Ionic, Charge 2, Alta HR. So, nandito ako sa pinakahuli. So, ito yung akin, Charge HR. Hindi naman talaga pinakahuli, but somewhere here. This is my old one, Charge HR. So, ito yun. So, since I have new one now, so, I have to use the Versa. Okay. Let's see. So, ito siya. So, isi-set up ko muna, guys. So, set up. So, ano mo lang, agree. Kahit hindi ka naman nagbabasa. Agree ng agree. Next. So, yung charger, ganito. So, yan. So, nice yung charger niya kasi pwede mo i-ano lang siya. Pinching. Para siyang clip, guys. See? It's very nice. So, I'm not really bragging this, guys. I'm not bragging this one. It's just like, it makes you motivate. Ano to? Ano nangyayari dito? So, i-display ko daw. I-display. Yan ako yung number sa connecting to Fitbit. So, it's so pretty in person, guys. I just, parang ano ko lang to sa self ko. Cause, gift to myself since I'm working hard. Diba? So, it's connected. So, yan. Ano siya? Wi-Fi connected. Kasi may Wi-Fi sa bahay. Okay guys, so set up na. Setting up Versa, it's 5% now. So, mas mabilis siya if, Wi-Fi. If you use your Wi-Fi, compare sa Bluetooth. So, this says, so, dito yung mga, niya, track your activity, where you watch your way, get notification at a glance, optimize your workout. So, may music siya, guys. So, ito yung pinakagusto ko. So, through Bluetooth, yung, yung, headset. So, kailangan Bluetooth din siya. So, parang, na. Kasi, I don't really like bringing my phone. So, yun lang talaga. Kasi, I bring my phone because of the, music. But, other than that, I don't really need my phone when I run. Yan. So, can't wait! So, ito na siya, guys. Ta. So, ano na siya? Already, set up na siya and already installed yung mga app or whatever. So, magaan lang siya sa kamay, guys. So, it's really nice. So, may clock dito. So, parang siyang like Apple watch, pero it's a Fitbit. So this is more cheaper. So, this is cheaper than the Apple Watch anyway. So, yun yung nakita yung heartbeat, which is 80. Tapos, yun yung clock. So, it's really nice, guys. So, yes, when you wear this one, it's really light. Parang wala kang suot, guys, compare sa mga watches, normal watches. So, tingnan mo yung strap. So, yan. Yung strap niya is, lang sa akin, kasya yung small. So, yan, no? Tingnan mo how small is my wrist. So, yan. So, pag nalaw mo, ganyan siya, guys. Tapos, swipe ko. Yan, swipe. So, yung mga exercise, alarm, music, coach, relax, weather, timer, wallet, and settings, Strava, tips, Deezer. So, yan. So, you can find anywhere. So, yun yung gusto ko. Meron siyang music. At pag bored ka, you want to do something, meron ding magko-coach sa'yo. 10-minute abs. May mga workout din siya. So, it's really nice. So, dito mo rin makikita yung mga warm-ups. So, I can't wait to use this, guys. So, yan. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.
And start burning up your ties and take your coat, I guess, and the shirt right off my